Hi, my friends. Let's draw our morning routine together. It's morning. Let's draw a window first. The sun is up. Bright yellow. Now, draw a big blue bed. Here's the boy. He just woke up. Stretch those arms high. It's time to wake up. Time to wash face. First, draw a sink. Next, draw a mirror above it. Now, draw the boy's round face. Add hands, splashing water. Wow, look at him. He is washing his face. Ready? It is time to brush teeth. Let's draw a face with teeth. Now, add a toothbrush in his hand. Brush, brush, brush. Yay! He is brushing his teeth. Time to get dressed. First, draw a t-shirt. Now, draw the boy, pulling it on. Arms in, head out. He is getting dressed. Yum, breakfast time. Ready? Let's draw a bowl and a cup on the table. Now, draw the boy with a spoon. Yummy! He is eating breakfast. Time to go to school. First, draw the boy, walking, and draw a little backpack. Wow, look at that. He is ready to go to school. Let's say our morning routine together. Ready? Wake up. Wash face, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to school. Wow, great job. Want to draw it again? See you, my little artists.